Yo man, what's good? In this video, I'm gonna go into the live markets. It is currently 9:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The session is about to open, so let's get quickly into the markets. But essentially, I'm gonna take a trade in front of you, and then after that, I'm gonna do a recap because I want to actually teach you. I'm not like these gurus who just flex on you. I want to actually teach you so you can do this every single day in the markets consistently. But man, with that being said, let's get into the video. Just bought on Nasdaq on this push of this fair value gap. We got this amazing uptrend right here, and I'm targeting some highs. There we go, 400 on the first trade. As you can see, very low risk. So if we break below this low, I'm willing to short this ASAP. Okay, I just short the markets on Nasdaq. Gotta be fast with the stop loss above this order block right here, and I'm gonna target this low below here. This is quite far away. Actually, guys, I'm gonna target this fair value gap right here. That's what we do, boys. Do you see how literally as soon as I entered, the banks are also entering. The big market movers are also entering. That's what we do. We're gonna enter when the pressure starts building up, and then we attack. Okay? How can we do that? Well, first, I'm gonna do the recap, and then obviously you're gonna learn from that, so you can do this every single day, like me. Okay. All right. So as you can see, this is like $2.8 thousand in 2 trades essentially. As you can see, this is a very low risk trade because we were kind of like this. First of all, this is a very tight stop loss, meaning that it's like I only took it from this fair value gap, etc. and etc. Then I targeted the all-time highs that we had previously. Now the reason why I first of all took this just from this fair value gap right here, not this fair value gap. I'm actually gonna remove this one. The reason why I took this from here is because usually when there's a all-time high above and we haven't taken that before during that day, the price is literally going up, and we literally saw that session opens, which is continue up, where most likely this is going to the all-time highs. What can we do? We use the building blocks to know how to follow the trend, aka fair value gaps or breakout structures, and then we magically enter when we see this fair value gap getting respected. We tap into it, we immediately respect that. I enter around here, and pretty good risk ratio, but very small in size. As you can see, this is a very small trade in size, but big risk ratio. But I risked very low because of that. So I just target these all-time highs. That's cool. But then we start to just, this is usually what happens. We take a lot of liquidity, but we have this strong trend to the upside. What most likely happens? There will be a lot of consolidation. Why? Because there's a lot of sellers entering the markets, want to push the price down because we took so much liquidity, but also a lot of buyers in the markets because they want to push this amazing trend, make even more all-time highs, right? But also a little bit lower volume, as you can see, these small candles, because people are like not sure what to do. They're like, oh, let's wait a little bit. But then we start to create this consistent pattern, this consistent downtrend movement. Low lows, lower highs, low lows, lower highs, low lows, lower highs, etc. and etc. right? And if you look at there was this actually in the 5-minute broke structure to the downside as well, a little bit later when I entered, I think. Yeah, there was also a 50-minute fair value gap. However, I wanted for the fair value gap to get tapped into. It did get tapped into, right? I'm going to show you. This is essentially the whole fair value gap in the 15-minute, right? This right here. What happens? It actually got tapped into, but it didn't react much, right? It actually just continued to respect this downtrend movement. If we would have just disrespected this downtrend movement, meaning that we just start to consolidate or whatever, I wouldn't have shorted this, but we just continue to respect this, and then we broke structure once more. So I was like, okay, I'm not gonna take a huge risk ratio trade, so I'm gonna risk a little bit more. And look at this. As soon as this shit happened, I enter right here. It's kind of choppy a little bit. Bang. And then what I targeted was this 50-minute fair value gap right here. Okay, because we have to understand these fair value gaps, they work like magnets as well for the price to pull them right here, and then also it can then reverse the price to the original trend, right? But also they're like magnets. Okay, so around $2.8 thousand. Hope you understood from this one. But we have to remember that all-time highs trading is a little bit different. I think I should make a video on that. But all-time highs, yeah, it's a little bit different trading. But yeah, just a quick little reminder. This broke structure once more in here, and I enter right here, okay? Because we continue this low lows, low highs, low lows, low highs, and low lows, and the witches continue down, rally down, as you saw in the clip, right? Yo, man, $2.8 thousand just like that. But again, I'm not here to flex on you. I really hope you learn from this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this video to a friend who you want to see succeed, okay? But if you want to really learn fast, and want my absolute private and personal guidance, so I can take you from absolute 0 to 100, click the first link in the description, apply, and yeah, man, as usual, I'll see you on the other side. Peace out.